Bmar here. Going to show you an easy way to keep the water in your koi pond automatically refilled. If you have an automatic sprinkler system that's hooked up to fresh water, not city water, but something that draws off a lake or a stream or a canal, or like us, ours draws off an underground well, then you can hook into your sprinkler system. If you have a sprinkler nearby, like we do, just like this, tap in with a T-connector right there. Then you use a 1/2 inch to a 3/4 inch threaded male PVC piece, and then a brass quarter turn valve, ball valve. I got this one on Amazon. I really like it because everything's brass on it, the collar and the little switch thing. So you can gate down the water. A regular garden hose connected to it, which I'm going to bury. I got it going around the tree, comes back around here, and I got it buried under those rocks, and you can see it just peeking out. The thing with well water is it doesn't have a lot of dissolved oxygen in it, so you do want it to aerate somewhat when it comes out. So that's why I have it in a waterfall, to add some air to it when it comes in. That'll automatically fill up your koi pond every time your sprinkler system comes on. And here we are with the sprinklers running, and you can see there's just a little trickle coming out of the hose there. And it'll run for about 12 minutes, which is usually just about the right amount of water to fill the pond back up. Turtles like it.